Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your battery icon emoji on your Android device. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do, I'll take it back from the start. From here, we need to click onto our Play Store and then do a search. And now where it says search apps and games, we want to type in emoji battery status bar. Here it is here. And then scroll down. And we need to look for this one here, so it should be by Color Studio. So simply click into that, and now go ahead and click on see details. You can have a look more about the app, the reviews, etc. From here, go ahead and click on the install button. Now that's going to download and install the emoji battery status bar, where you can change your battery to an emoji. So from here, go ahead and click on open. And then it will say here emoji battery. Under that, enable emoji battery status bar to set call. So go ahead and click on start setup. Click I agree. Click agree. Now we need to turn on some accessibility services. So it will show you what to do here, but I'll run through it step by step. So select installed apps or download apps in accessibility settings. Select emoji battery. Now we need to turn that on. So go ahead and go to settings. Go in installed apps. Click onto emoji battery status bar and enable that. Click allow again. Skip out of the ad. Now from here, just go ahead and choose which emoji you'd like to use. So you've got a whole range of different ones to use. You keep scrolling down. Alright, so say for example, I want to choose this green love heart. So I'm going to click onto it. We can muck around the percentage, emoji battery here, etc. Can you see on the top when I scroll this, you can see how it fits the screen. Now if I do the percentage, we can change that so it fits pretty good. So I like that, 88%. If I want to make it smaller, I can. Might keep it around there. We could change the battery colors here too. So if I want to do pink, I can choose pink. Scroll down. Also, we could change the emoji here. And now there's no set button after this, but it automatically changes. So if I go back to the start or back to my home screen, you can see my emoji battery, or the battery has been changed to an emoji love heart.